Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I have for you a quick little video. Well, it should be quick providing I don't talk too much, but I wanted to share with you guys 3 Halloween bag ideas. Now these are more kid focused and I have one for Sully as well, but hopefully it will just give you some ideas in general. So I've made one up for my goddaughter, which is this one, then this one for Sully, and one for our 2 nieces. They are sisters, so it is combined. Okay, this is for our goddaughter. So I tried to get a bag and a bucket for each, so I can put the things I did pick up in there, and also they can use it if they want to go trick-or-treating. First of all, I saw this in Poundland. This is one of their, well, they call it a loot bag for all your trick-or-treat candy. They had this in black and purple. I did share this on one of my Come Shop With Me's. This was only £1, and I love the orange one because it's got the holographic on the handles and also at the back. So the front is clear with the boo and the ghost, and then the back is really pretty with that on. And then we also got her this book. This isn't autumn or Halloween themed. I suppose it's a bit autumnal on the cover, but these books are really beautiful. They're by a brand called Wonderbly, but what we like about them is they're personalised and they're lovely quality. Such a nice gift, whether it's your own child or someone else's, you want to buy a birthday present or Christmas present or anything really, but something that's a bit more special because it is dedicated to them. So you can put a message inside, and whoever's name you're putting on it actually is incorporated within the story. Then I saw these tumblers in Asda, and they had these in lots of different colours. I've actually got one for my niece as well, but this one I thought was cute in the black because it's got Frankenstein on, a ghost, and also a cat, and she really loves cats. They have a pet cat as well, so I thought she would absolutely adore this. This was only £1 as well, but I did go back in Asda today, and honestly the stuff is going. I would recommend if you see it. I feel like this year if you see it you kind of have to get it when you see it because things are just going really quickly. I think everyone's so excited that they get to celebrate everything properly this year, but also as well there's quite a lot of delays in deliveries, so it's worth going in a couple of times because they do have lots of new stuff coming in. Then the last thing I saw for her also in Asda was this gorgeous 2-piece set. She loves these like dress tops, so you wear it with the leggings underneath, but she likes this kind of, I guess it's like a peplum dress top, and I thought the pumpkins on it were so cute. And then this is the leggings. They're just a really nice autumnal brown, and this was £7 for the 2. Okay, next moving on to a Sully. Now he has been trying to sniff this out, but I don't think he's realised it's for him. He's sat on the stairs in the hallway at the moment. So let's start with the bowl. I saw this in TK Maxx, but they did have them in HomeSense as well, of course. Again, this was one of those items that was there 1 minute and then gone the next. This is, if you're not familiar, this is by Ray Dunn. They always do this pretty writing and all sorts of quirky sayings and words, and this says lick or treat, and honestly I couldn't pass it up because I don't have the price on it anymore, but it was only £4.99. I mean, obviously he's probably not going to get as excited about it as I am. Then going on to the bag, this is more related to him. I think he'll get excited by a few things in here. So I'll show you what's inside first, and then I can show you a close-up of the bag. So we got some TREATS's. You guys know I have to spell it out because as soon as he hears that word, he comes running in. But I got these in my cherries haul that I shared, I'm sure, in my last video. Then I saw this ages ago. I think I saw this back in August, and I haven't seen anything like this since. So this was from TK Maxx as well, and it says pumpkin spice puppuccino, and this was $3.99. Then the other one that I saw, this was another one that was there 1 minute and then gone the next. They may still have it in the store where you are. This is from B&M. I bought him a similar one last year with a pumpkin head. They did have this one, a pumpkin head, and there was another one, but I just thought the Dracula would be a nice change. So on the head, I believe there's a squeak in there, and then the cape is all in that crinkly fabric, and then the rape body. This was £3, which I thought was a great price for such a big toy, and he does like these rape toys. Then one last thing inside the bag. Again, I think I'm more excited about this. I don't think he'll be that excited by it, but I could not resist this. I always look at these every year, and this one was actually on an offer, so I got this off Etsy. It is a pumpkin spice collar, but this was from a UK seller, and I think it was only $9.99. I did look again recently. I think she'd given even more discount on these, but she also did a harness in this pattern and a poo bag holder. So if you like this kind of thing, it's really well made as well, and it's got the clip here, but I'll put all her details down below if you want to go and check out her shop. She's got loads of really nice things. It's called Pet Pooch Boutique. And then the last thing is this bag. It's not going to be something he plays with, but I thought it was nice to put his toys in. This is from John Lewis. However, I did get this in Waitrose, and this was not a bad price. This was £3. They also had a pumpkin one, but for some reason I loved the bat. Lastly, for my two nieces, my younger niece is still a baby. Well, she's nearly 1, so we just decided to get her a really sweet outfit for her first Halloween. I'm probably going to give this to her a little bit earlier because my older niece is coming around. I think I mentioned this before, for a little Halloween party. So it's long sleeved, and it says my first Halloween, and it's from Tesco. And then to match with it, you get, I love these leggings. They're so bright and fun. And this was £6, the two items together. Then for my older niece, I did share with you guys this in my cherries haul. I got her this witch's hat. So she is really into purple. Her bedroom is all purple. So I tried to stay along the purple theme because that is still very Halloween, that colour. And I thought this would be great for her dressing up box. And that was only £1. And then this bucket, this I grabbed early as soon as I saw it because there was only one, I think. But this is from B&M, and I love the colour of this. It's like a pastel lilac purple. And this was only £1 as well. And inside I have one of these tumblers from Asda in the purple, and this has Dracula and some bats, and it says Happy Halloween. And then she likes the Pezzes. I think she collects them. Saw this one in Asda. There was a little witch. Also, I got her some chocolate coins. I think these are from Home Bargain. And I thought this next thing we could do together, this is from Waitrose, so it's a Halloween pumpkin biscuit kit. I thought we could all do this when she comes round as something fun to do that's Halloween themed. And also to keep her entertained, I saw this in Home Bargains. It's a glow-in-the-dark Halloween sticker book, and it's also got like activities in it and things you can make. Speaking of books, I saw this book that we can read to her at bedtime. This is from Tesco's. Tesco's and Sainsbury's had the best selection of Halloween books for all ages. If you're looking for something like this one I really liked, obviously because it's purple, but it's Christopher Pumpkin. I just thought it was a really nice story, and this was £4 on its own, but they did have an offer in Tesco's. If you bought 2 books, it was 2 for £7. In Sainsbury's, I thought this would be really nice for her because she does love stickers and sticking stickers on things. This was only £4 in Sainsbury's, and it's a sticker dolly dressing Halloween book. So it has all the ladies in different places, and then it has all the stickers at the back. I love this one. I really like the autumn wreath and the pumpkin jumper and hat. I'm actually excited to do this with her as well. Something for you. Wait. Wait. Yes. Is this for you? Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. If you have an idea to put a little trick or treat bucket together, they're kind of like Easter baskets or Christmas Eve box, that kind of idea. That was the idea I had in mind, so hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!